Hello students, today we will discuss about the exercise problems in polynomials. And the first problem is find the quadratic polynomial in each case with the given numbers as the sum and product of its zeros respectively. First one is 1 by 4 comma minus 1. So now I will take alpha is equal to what they gave with sum and product of its zeros. So sum and product. First one is I will take sum alpha plus beta equal to 1 by 4 and product, that means alpha beta equal to minus 1. Alpha beta equal to minus 1. So we know that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and we know that alpha beta equal to c by a. In this, here we observe b equal to minus 1 and a equal to 4. But in this equation, c equal to minus 1 and a equal to 1. But in the above a equal to 4, here a equal to 1. Now we will write now here we will write 4, that equal to 1, that means minus 4 by 4. So then here then alpha beta is equal to 1. So that means then a is equal to 4 and b equal to 1, c equal to minus 4. So if c equal to minus 4, then if c equal to minus 4, then alpha beta value belongs to 1. That means so if c is equal to 4, we will get the value of a is equal to 4 also. That means a is equal to 4 and b is equal to minus 1 and c equal to minus 4. And next one, root 2 comma 1 by 3. Root 2 comma 1 by 3. So alpha plus beta is equal to root 2 and alpha beta equal to 1 by 3. So that means alpha plus beta it means minus b by a. Minus b by a is equal to so root 2. That means minus b is equal to root 2 into a. And in here alpha beta is equal to 1 by 3 means that means c by a. In this we have c is equal to 1 and a is equal to 3. So substitute here a value, then b is equal to root 2 into 3. That means 3 root 2. So a is equal to 3, b is equal to 3 root 2. So minus 3 root 2 and c is equal to 1. Now they ask quadratic polynomial. So what is the quadratic polynomial? Ax square plus bx plus c. That means here what is the equation? 4x square minus x minus 4. And here a equal to 3 means 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. And here alpha plus beta is equal to 0. That means minus b by a is equal to 0. So alpha beta is equal to root 5. That means c by a is equal to root 5. Here, if b is equal to 0, then a whole alpha plus beta is equal to 0. So, here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, c is equal to root 5. So, what is the equation? Ax square, that means x square. B is 0, that means coefficient of x is 0. So, plus root 5. So, x square plus root 5. And the next one, 1 comma 1. Alpha plus beta is equal to 1. That means minus b by a. And alpha beta is equal to 1. That means c by a. So here a is equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, c equal to also 1. So then what is the equation? X square minus x plus 1. X square minus x plus 1. And the next one is minus 1 by 4 comma 1 by 4. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus 1 by 4. That means that is equal to minus b by a. And next alpha beta equal to 1 by 4, that equal to c by a. So here a equal to 4, b equal to 1, c equal to 1. So what is the equation? 4x square plus x plus 1. And next one more problem, 4 comma 1. Sixth problem. Sixth problem, 4 comma 1. So here alpha plus beta is equal to 4. That means minus b by a. So alpha beta is equal to 1. That equal to c by a. So here a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4 and c equal to 1. Then what is the equation? X square minus 4x plus 1. Next problem. Find the quadratic polynomial for the zeros alpha beta given in each case. So first problem is minus 2 comma minus 1. So what they gave? Alpha and beta. So alpha is equal to 2. Alpha equal to 2 and beta equal to minus 1. So now we will find alpha plus beta. That means 2 plus of minus 1. That is equal to 2 minus 1, 1. And that is minus b by a. And next alpha beta. Alpha beta is equal to 2 multiplied by minus 1. That means minus 2. That is equal to c by a. So we observe that here a equal to 1, b equal to, here minus b equal to 1. That means b equal to minus 1 and c equal to minus 2. So a is equal to 1, b equal to minus 1 and c equal to minus 2. Then what is that quadratic polynomial? So x square minus x minus 2. So x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. So this is the quadratic polynomial. And the second one, root 3 comma minus root 3. So take alpha equal to root 3 and beta equal to minus root 3. Then what is the value of alpha plus beta? Root 3 minus root 3. That means root 3 minus root 3. That equal to 0. That equal to minus b by a. And what is the value of alpha beta? Alpha beta means root 3 into minus root 3. That means minus into plus minus, root 3 into root 3, 3. So that is equal to C by A. So observe this. Here minus B by A equal to 0. When it is 0, when B equal to 0, then minus B by A is 0. So that means here A equal to 1, B equal to 0 and C equal to minus 3. So then what is the quadratic equation, quadratic polynomial? X square. So here x term is 0. That means the coefficient of x is 0. So the B term is not there. Then C term, what is C? Minus 3. So minus 3 equal to 0. That is the quadratic polynomial of this alpha and beta values. And next one is 1 by 4 comma minus 1. So now we will take alpha equal to 1 by 4 and beta equal to minus 1. Then what is the value of alpha plus beta? 1 by 4 minus 1. That means LCM is 4 and 1 minus 4. That equal to minus 3 by 4. That is minus B by A. And next alpha beta. What is the value of alpha beta? 1 by 4 into minus 1. That means minus 1 by 4. So here observe that A equal to 4 and B equal to 3, C equal to 4. Sorry, C equal to 1. So C equal to, here C by 4. C means minus 1. Then what is the equation? 4x square plus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. And next 1 by 2 comma 3 by 2. So alpha equal to 1 by 2 and beta equal to 3 by 2. So then alpha plus beta equal to 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. That means 4 by 2. That is equal to minus B by A. And next alpha beta equal to 1 by 2 into 3 by 2. That means 3 by 4. That is equal to C by A. Here observe. Here B minus B by A equal to, here A equal to 2 and here A equal to 4. Now I will take this equation as 4 into 2 by 2 into 2. Then what we will get? 8 by 4. So minus B by A is equal to 8 by 4. So then what is the equation? So here A is equal to 4, B equal to, what is the value of B? B equal to minus 8 and C equal to 3. So then what is the equation? 4x square minus 8x plus 3 equal to 0. So 4x square minus 8x plus 3 equal to 0. So next problem. Verify that 1 minus 1 and 3 are the zeros of the cubic polynomial x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3 and check the relationship between zeros and the coefficient. So first what they given polynomial p of x equal to x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. So comparing the given polynomial with ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So this is cubic polynomial, general form of cubic polynomial. So we will compare both these two equations. Then a equal to 1, b equal to minus 3, c equal to minus 1 and d equal to 3. So next what they asked, check zeros of the cubic polynomial. First we will check these three are zeros of the polynomial or not. So first we will take p of 1. So P of 1 is equal to 1 whole cube minus 3 into 1 whole square minus of minus 1 plus 3. That means 1 minus 3 plus 1 plus 3. So then here minus 1 minus 1. So minus 1 whole cube. Sorry. And here A is equal to 1, B equal to minus 3 and C equal to minus 1 and D equal to 3. Then P of 1 equal to 1 whole cube. So minus 3 into 1 whole square. So minus of 1 plus 3. That means 1 minus 3 here minus 1 plus 3. That means plus 1 and minus 1 gets cancelled, plus 3 and minus 3 gets cancelled. So 0. So next P of minus 1. Then minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into minus 1 whole square minus of minus 1 plus 3. So that means minus 1 minus 3 plus 1 plus 3. So this is also 0. And next P of 3. P of 3 equal to 3 whole cube minus 3 into 3 whole square minus 3 plus 3. That means 3 cube. That means 27 minus 3 square 9. 9 3s are 27 minus 3 plus 3. So that is equal to 0. So 1 minus 1 and 3 are the 1 minus 1 and 3 are the zeros of the cubic polynomial. And also check the relationship between zeros and the coefficients. So now I will take alpha equal to 1, beta equal to minus 1 and gamma equal to 3. Now I will take alpha equal to 1, beta equal to minus 1 and gamma equal to 3. So what is the sum of zeros? So alpha plus beta plus gamma. That means 1 minus 1 plus 3. That is equal to 3. So what is alpha plus beta plus gamma? Minus b by a. That is equal to minus b by a. So here what is the value of a? 1. Comparing this equation with this, what is the value of a? A equal to 1. And what is the value of b? B equal to minus 3. Then here what is the value of b? Minus 3. So now then alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Second one, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. What is the value of alpha beta? That means 1 into minus 1 plus what is the value of beta and gamma? Minus 1 into 3 plus gamma alpha 3 into 1. So that means minus 1 minus 3 plus 3. So minus 3 plus 3 gets cancelled. That is equal to minus 1. What is the value of alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha that is equal to C by A. So here also A equal to 1 and C equal to minus 1. Okay, and next alpha beta gamma. That means 1 into minus 1 into 3. So that is equal to minus 3. What is alpha beta gamma? D by A. What is the value of D? 3. That means minus D by A. So observe that here also A equal to 1, B equal to -3 and C equal to -1, D equal to 3. So both are equal.